Good afternoon, Principal Wilson here with a update. It's not an update that I wanted to bring you, but as of now, 3:15 on 8/24, between Cherokee Bluff Middle School and Cherokee Bluff High School, we have around 30 positive COVID cases. Therefore, out of abundance of caution and safety for our students, we are shifting to a mask mandate through September the 3rd. We believe this will help us to keep the spread down and keep students in school and allow our teachers to continue to teach your students and provide them with the best education possible. We certainly appreciate your support and help through this. We know it's not the best thing, but it is a necessary thing, and we know that you will understand. And again, we appreciate your support. Go Bears, and of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to us here at the school. Y'all have a great evening.